Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Storj. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Storj has broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern, and after that it also broke out a quite long-term resistance zone as well. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this resistance zone that starts from 50 cents and goes to 65 cents, you can see that the price line retested the previous resistance zone as a support and geared up, but again, this rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $1. And this is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance at $1 we have that has been previously breaking as a very strong support for several weeks, a month. And after the breakdown, since after the month of May 2022, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see we got rejection here and so many rejections recently after breaking out this wedge. We have these rejections here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very big breakout from this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that first the price and broke out this Ichimoku bearish cloud and retested the previous resistance of the cloud as a support and geared up. And this lagging span is also moving up. It has crossed up the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, this green color, this green line. And now it is about to cross up the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And that will be a very bullish sign. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Beta Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 4th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Storj. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Here we had a fake out, but the price then got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $3.62. Previously, we got rejection here, and once again, we got rejected here, re-entered the same wedge, and then we broke down a very significant and key support zone that starts from 65 cents and goes to 50 cents. And you can see that since then, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. And you can see for the past several months, the price then was getting rejected again and again by this resistance zone. But after breaking out this wedge and one more rejection by the resistance zone, the price then geared up again and broke out this resistance zone. And now for the past several weeks or months, it is retesting this resistance zone as a support zone. And several times you can see we have tested. And now, therefore, this support zone will be very significant and we need to keep an eye on this support. Right now, you can see that the price line is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of $1. That is also a quite long-term and key resistance for the price line. And we need to break out this resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. So far from this though, to this high, you can see it rallied more than 537%, but still not able to break out this quite long-term resistance of $1. But we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price line also broke out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. And now if this lagging span will cross up the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, this green line, then I'm expecting that the price line can start another massive move to the upside and it can easily break out this long-term resistance of $1 as well. Right now, you can see that it is very close to hit the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, this lagging span. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately between $3.60 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.